Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily use Monetize.ng to make a website. Monetize.ng offers you a hosted solution that anyone can use to create different kinds of websites, online stores, blogs, and even landing pages for your business. And it is not just a web creation tool, it also offers you a business opportunity whereby you can earn up to 105,000 naira weekly doing what you love. And I'm going to be showing you exactly how in this video. So to get started, you need to choose one of these plans, and each of these plans gives you full access to Monetize.ng. So you can create unlimited websites both for yourself and for your client. And of course, this amount covers hosting, so you can charge your clients whatever you want for both web design and hosting and keep all that money for yourself. You will also have access to our affiliate program, which gives you 50% commission for everybody you refer to Monetize.ng. And you also have full access to our Digital Creator Academy, where you can learn several high-income digital skills as well. So that is what you get with Monetize.ng. So once you click sign up and fill in your details, a site, and of course the payment goes through, a site will automatically be created for you with a subdomain based on the username you choose during the sign up process. And after that, you'll be able to log into your dashboard where you have access to all of these put together. So I'm going to take you to your dashboard so you know how it looks like. So this is how your dashboard looks like. So for each time you want to add a site, you only need to come to my site, and from there you'll see all the sites you have created. These are the sites that you have created. You see all of them here. So any one of them you want to manage, you only need to click manage, and you switch to that site and do whatever you want to do from there. If you want to add a new site, you only need to click add new site here and choose, just enter a subdomain, let's say my new site. Your site title rather, my new site, and let's say this is also the subdomain you want to use for your site, my new site. Click create site. So it's going to create the site in just a few seconds and your site will be live. So that is how it is easy to use Monetize.ng to create a website. So once your website is created, you can import from our library any template that you deem fit for your website. So we're going to take a look at that in a moment. Good, your site is created. Site is created. This is the site we just created, my new site. So if I want to manage the site, I only need to click manage and it will switch me over to that site right away so I can start managing it. All right, we're in our new site that we just created. So let's start by importing a template. So to import a template, just point to appearance and click starter template. So you will see all the available templates that you can import from depending on the nature of website you want to build. So the templates are going to show up here now. All right, here we have our templates. So these are all fully built websites that you can just easily import and start customizing your website to your own liking. You can change all the text and everything, the image, add your own images and so on and so forth after the import process. So let's say, okay, let's say we want to go with this template. I'm going to choose it now and click full site. So it's going to import this template and our site will be live in just a moment. All right, our template has finished importing and you can now take a look at the website you just created. Let's see how it looks. But the best thing is you can do all of this with your mobile phone. You can create any website using your mobile phone. And yeah, this is the website we imported. This is the template we imported. So here you have a full website created. You can start customizing it to your liking. You can change the images and add your own. You can change the text and make it your own. It's that simple. And you can do all of that even with your mobile phone if you want. You can add custom domains. You just need to register a domain and add it from your account section here, and the website will be accessed on that domain. So that is how easy it is. You can add pages, you can add posts, you can do anything you want by simply importing the ready-made templates or creating your own from scratch. So we are going to be learning all of that in the next videos, but uh, essentially this is how simple it is to use Monetize.ng to create any kind of website that you want. So what are you waiting for? Sign up now, create websites, and make money from it as well. See you.